Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the left side rack adjuster that goes in the upper rack of this Whirlpool dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The dish rack adjuster allows you to raise or lower the upper dish rack to accommodate taller items on either the upper or lower racks. It connects the upper rack to the tub rail and holds it securely at your preferred height during operation. Over time, the adjuster can crack, break, or wear down from the stress of repeated adjustments and the weight of the upper rack. Once damaged, it may no longer be adjustable or hold the rack securely at the desired height. In this video, we'll replace the left side rack adjuster. Although the replacement process is similar for either side, the left and right side are different designs with different part numbers. Each side is labeled RH or LH to denote right or left-hand side to make ordering a replacement easier. Replacing a broken dish rack adjuster restores the ability to reposition your upper rack and keeps it locked securely in place during operation. If you need to purchase a replacement dish rack adjuster for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a small flathead screwdriver. To access and replace the dish rack adjuster, open the dishwasher's door and slide out the upper rack. Open the front stop clips by rotating them towards the outside of the appliance. Slide the rack out and place it so the spray arm is facing up. To remove the dish rack adjuster, use a small flathead screwdriver to press in the locking tabs of each rack adjuster clip from the outside of the rack. While the tab is pressed, slide the adjuster clip down to remove it from the rack adjuster. Repeat the process on the other rack adjuster clip. The replacement dish rack adjuster does not come with new adjuster clips, so if yours are damaged or missing, head over to partsdoctor.com to order replacements. Once both rack adjuster clips are removed and set aside, locate the two release tabs on the dish rack adjuster. Release one locking tab while applying pressure outwards. Continue to apply pressure and release the second locking tab. Once both tabs are released, rotate the adjuster outwards and pull the adjuster off the rack. The dish rack adjuster should now be free from the upper rack. Please note that the adjuster is labeled with an RH or LH to simplify ordering the correct part. When ordering a replacement dish rack adjuster, avoid low-quality, aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the dish rack adjuster, insert the adjuster into the fourth gap from the rear of the upper rack. Once the adjustment button has been inserted through the rack, snap both sides onto the rack. Lift the rack while rotating the adjuster into place until it snaps to the rack. Test to be sure that it's locked in place. Slide the rack adjustment clip until it snaps into place. Repeat on the other adjustment clip. Reinstall the rack and close the stop clips. Adjust the rack to your desired height and push the rack in and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.